Let's make some sweatpants for a Build-A-Bear memory bear. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so tonight we are going to make a memory bear clothing for a Build-A-Bear. I got the pattern from Lixie Pig Crafts. It was a free pattern. I searched so hard for this, so friends, I need to show you. So, all right. So a friend had lost a family member and they gave me the clothing. And so I take the pattern and I used the sweatpants and just cut out the pattern. Now I had the sweatpants just as they were. So it was two pieces, right? And then you fold up the bottom. You want the bottom to be folded up wide enough so that it covers your elastic. You're going to do with just a straight edge. Then you're going to take right sides together and you're going to clip or pin the side. Then you're going to sew it. Now I have I think it's probably 1 inch wide elastic, and we're going to do the same thing we did on the bottom. We're going to do on the top. We're going to fold over and sew it, and then we're going to put the elastic in. I am sure there is a better way than taping it on a chopstick or a dowel. I'm sure there is, but I didn't know it and I chose to do it this way. So then we're going to put our elastic together, and then you're going to put the other side together, and then you're going to sew that edge. And here we have, this is the waistband. You're going to cut off the excess of your elastic. Is it perfect? No, it's not. But let me tell you, I stressed about this. So now we're going to take our elastic for our sweatpants on the bottom. And again, there's a better way to do this, but I just didn't know it. So I put it on the end of a knitting needle, and I put the elastic through. And then we're going to do the same thing pretty much that we did with the elastic for the top, is we're going to put the pieces together, and then we're going to sew all the way across there. Perfect, right? Look at how fun is this? And then we're going to do the same thing, cut the elastic on the excess off. This was a hard project. This was a really hard project because obviously this is a family friend. So I knew this person and it was just really sad. But I was so honored to be able to, they asked me to make these out of his clothes for this Build-A-Bear. And I stressed, friends. This was such a stressful project because I didn't want to ruin his clothes. It was just crazy. So anyways, back to the project. So then I took the drawstring from the sweatpants and I cut a piece off, and then all I'm going to do is just lift up a little piece of the fabric. Don't cut the elastic, just the fabric. And I did 2 pieces, probably about 2 inches apart, and just a little hole for each of them. Then I take the drawstring, put it on I put it on a safety pin and then just looped it through. I did knot the ends of the drawstring, and then we just tie it, and that was it. And stop it. It looks adorable. I show you this project because I searched for so many hours to find a pattern that would work. And this one worked like a charm, and it was super easy. And I don't know, what a beautiful gift to give someone, a memory, or if you just have a Build-A-Bear and you want to make your own clothes. How much fun is that, right? Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.